Hi, my name's Infinity, and 2 years ago I bought a 1990 Renault Trafic to turn it into my 1970s dream home and travel to Prague to fulfill my childhood dream using nothing but 50-year-old technology. His name is Ulendo, Chichewa, an African language for the word journey. And now, after a year and 4 months of restoration work, he's finally ready to hit the road. Almost. I got him back from the restoration shop a few weeks ago, and now it's time to make a few final improvements before we hit the road and set off to Prague. Apart from the necessary equipment used to document my life in this time period, as soon as I leave this driveway, as soon as I set off on my adventure, I'm not allowed to use any modern technology at all. Some think I'm insane, some think I'm pretty cool, some think I'm retro, and they're wrong. Because everything in here is new old stock and actually 50 years old. And we're gonna put it to the test. So welcome to the beginning of a new chapter for charting course, out of the restoration phase and into the traveling phase. But in between, in this limbo period, a few final improvements are needed before I can finally drive away. Let's see the first thing on the list. The moment I've been waiting a year for has finally arrived. I get to name Ulendo. Oh my god. This is insane. I've been waiting for this for ages. I've got several copies if I mess up, so fingers crossed. Let's see where he's gonna go first. There, yes. Oh my god, that was so cool. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that! How freaking cool is that? Oh my god. It looks so cool. I was thinking about putting it sideways, but I thought no, straightways is fine. That's not bad at all. Good stuff. Look at him, he's gorgeous. Okay, now we gotta do the other side. That'll do. I'm really proud of that. That is flippin' cool. That is really, really cool. It may not be the sunniest day, but it's a really flippin' good day. You may have seen on the charting course logo quite a bit that Ulendo has different, well, hubcaps to what he actually had in the past, and it seems like a bit of an inconsistency, but that's because I wanted to put these on a long time before I even bought them. But now, after over a year of sitting in a room upstairs, we can finally put on his brand new hubcaps. Ooh, yeah. How could they possibly understand my excitement for this? Look at it! Ah, I love it! Rock and roll, baby. They're very, very snug, so I'm a bit cautious, but hopefully it should all just go into place. Come on, get in there. I don't want to crack these. Yes! Oh! Pop! Wow! I can see why everyone likes these so much. I can really see. Oh, I always wanted something a bit more, you know, 70s, 50s, 60s, you know, in that kind of era of big chrome wheels. I've always kind of wanted that. Yes! Hey. There we go, now he looks like he's meant to look. Look at him! Isn't he flipping cool? I'm so proud, I'm so proud. I'm just showing off how freaking cool he looks. I've got to get new tyres put on, MOT. There's a bunch of mechanical stuff that needs to be done, but outside, bodywork-wise, he's finished. He's perfect. I've named him. He is now officially no longer the former campervan of some 70-year-olds from wherever they were. He's now Ulendo. He's now mine. He's Ulendo. He's named, he's brand new, and he's ready. I can't flip and believe it. Oh, God. With my blue Stratos on and my amazing mechanics kit out, it's time to do a bit of work on the interior. Before I put all the interior stuff back in and make Ulendo the 70s dream home that I used to have, we first need to address one very important thing, a glaring red alert, or some may say salmon pink alert. These are the original curtains that we had with Ulendo, and the thing is, I was gonna keep them because I thought keep it original, keep it authentic. But the salmon pink doesn't work. Now that the outside looks so flipping beautiful and Ulendo is in beautiful mint condition with those gorgeous brown and orange stripes down the side, I thought, yeah, we can't really keep the sunned out, faded old curtains. So I've taken all of the fabric off already. This is what they look like. This is one of them. The streaks from where the sun has hit where it folds, it's too obvious. It's just way too obvious. And on the other side as well, it's kind of gone all yellowy and lost its color. So because there's no other colors in the 1970s, we have to go with orange curtains and brown tabs. Woohoo! And of course, I've been able to get these off only because my wonderful Auntie Janet, shout out to her, gave me this wonderful, amazing high-spec mechanics kit for my birthday last year. She's based in America, so we don't see each other in person often, but she's amazing. And they probably haven't been changed in 34 years, so thanks Auntie Janet for helping me get the curtains off. We're gonna dye these and see what happens. Not quite sure what's going to happen, but hopefully it's good. All right, dyeing time. Ah, sunshine orange, fingers crossed it actually works. These have all been pre-washed, nice and wet. In go the old curtains, and hopefully out come new ones. Look flippin' amazing! Look at these! Oh my gosh, thank goodness for Rit Dye. I mean, not sponsored, but I definitely would recommend them. I mean, the color is really intense and it came out exactly as I wanted it. Not kind of too light, but not too dark and dingy. That is really, really good. And also, oh my God, you should see these. Look at the tabs. All brown, yes! And they came out so well as well. They look really, really good, these tabs here. So this is chocolate brown and that's sunshine orange. And wow, I can't wait to get these on. Let's flip and hook them up, come on. Yeah, that's cool. As work on the curtains was completed and the sky turned from a cool Stratos blue to a fiery evening orange, I made a few more additions to Ulendo's interior. hooking up my version of a mobile phone. Look at how cool this is though, look at how cool that is. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, it actually does work. I've actually found a way of getting a landline phone to work in a vintage vehicle traveling. How cool is that? Getting Swap Shop to play on my wood grain TV, and installing an extension lead to power the whole setup. It was a chaotic but thoroughly satisfying day. And I went to sleep for the first time in over a year in my newly restored dream home. Because come morning, I would need all the energy I could get, as me, my dad, and our ever-helpful neighbour Michael would be wiring in a never-before-used, mint-in-the-box 70s heater. What do you think, Mike?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, thank you. Glad you like it. There she is.
Okay.
Gorgeous as brand new. Let me get that from you.
So this is your piece.
Yep, it's got the not a mounting, but it's got the holes.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell you what, it's been one hell of a morning. I've got the electrical system working and had to take the wheels off it. It was a bit of a nightmare, but.
Okay. So
me to take
that
the
inside somewhere.
Yeah. If you want a Sharpie or something to mark the holes, I've got one inside.
Pass it to me. Right, so that goes there. That goes there.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
I'm gonna stop.
Lovely. If you undo it,
No, if you undo it, then
just slightly.
That's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, you gotta slide it on now.
That's it. Because he is warped in.
Is that on? Ooh.
I'll tell you in a minute.
Oh, no, it's not on that side. You've got it on one side, but not on the other.
Stop. No, you haven't got it on.
We get I want to put it, so as we put it in place, we can force it out. So we want something like that to get in and just push it like that, so that and then it'll make it find its own way.
Yeah, just do that edge.
You've got that there, Gareth, yeah? Okay.
I'm going to have to do it from my side, Mike.
You can see it from your side. I got the weight.
There you go.
Well done.
Stop being a pussy.
This has got to go to there, yeah?
Yeah, it has,
That means
yeah.
we're going to have a cable. I was thinking of disconnecting this. We'll drill a pilot hole here.
Yep.
Put the cable through here. Yeah.
Oh, you want another drill?
Then you can run it through.
Yeah. Take the plug off though, don't take the insides out,
That's
because...
exactly what I said. I said that a moment ago.
No, I know, but like, Mark had such a task, like getting it wired up. I'm like, oh fuck, don't unwire it again.
Screwdriver.
Take you ages.
See.
Nice one, guys. I didn't even think it was going to go on, so well done. Well done.
Just took a little bit of
Persuasion.
persuasion. Yeah, that's the word, Gareth.
Come look at the 70s heater.
I know, I've seen pictures of it.
Isn't it cool? Fits in though, doesn't it?
How's that looking, Gareth? I think we're coming through there now. We're getting there.
That's not going to work, Mike.
Have you got them?
Yeah, I got two of them, yeah.
Can you feel the other one?
Almost, yeah, just about. It's coming through a little bit. I think you may need to make the hole
There
bigger.
we go.
Oh no, yep, you got it, you got it.
Oh.
So it's supposed to come through the back.
Can you see it?
This you put in this morning.
Yeah, it's not permanent.
This is like a battery, isn't it? Powered.
Yeah.
So the whole thing can come out, yeah?
Yeah, whole thing can move.
Let's get the whole thing
We,
out.
we can't get it out until we take off the door. I've got to take that off again.
Now we've got... Oh, my leg! Alright.
Yeah, I'm just getting the door off. Yeah, the electrical system was a bit too tall, so I had to take the door off just like an hour earlier and slot it in there.
Yeah. Got you. Oh, you got a battery there, haven't you?
It might be raining outside, it might be freezing cold, but Ulendo is making progress. I know it doesn't look like it, but we are making progress. Because look at this! I've got a heater! Woo! Yeah! We've plumbed in the anchor. I've taken the door off and plumbed in the anchor. I had to take the wheels off the anchor and the feet, which was a whole thing in itself, but we finally got that in. Ran the cord all the way through the back and neatly did it until it's here. Look at that. How neat is that? And it fits so well with the rest of the campervan. It fits so well with Ulendo's 70s theme. I am so flippin' happy about this. This is awesome. Of course, that's not the entire list of improvements I'm doing to Ulendo before we can travel. There's a lot more that have been left off camera because if I included them all, this video would be going on for several hours and I don't think anyone wants that. For example, the security measures. I've got this amazing yellow disc lock, but it's not really that important to include here. However, there is one more crucial component that any 1970s themed vehicle has. And I think you'll agree with me that it needs its own separate video. 10-4. Hi, welcome back.